Welcome back. So Abira makes a decision that no one sees coming, while Tanya says goodbye in an emotional episode of Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai. The episode begins with Abira telling Arman that she is not ready to take charge of the law firm. Arman immediately apologizes for putting too much pressure on her and assures that he never wanted her to feel like she had to be perfect. He reminds her how BSP stood by her during the toughest moments, helped her win important battles, and supported her family. Arman promises that BSP, Myra, and Mukti will always remain her biggest strength. Soon, the Poddar family celebrates as Abira officially joins the firm as its new managing director. While everyone is happy, Sanjay watches silently from a distance along with Kajal and Tanya. Abira warmly welcomes them into the celebration before everyone heads to the office. Meanwhile, Tanya tells Kajal that the house is empty and this is the right time for them to leave. Kajal becomes emotional as she remembers the beautiful moment she spent with the Poddar family, making Tanya feel guilty about her decision. At the firm's board meeting, Sanjay admits he couldn't manage the firm successfully despite giving it his best. He says he has always remained loyal and decides to resign. Just as he is about to leave, Abira stops him with a shocking announcement. Instead of accepting his resignation, she reappoints him. The board members questions her decision, but Abira explains that despite his mistakes, Sanjay played a major role in building the firm and deserves another chance. Her unexpected decision leaves everyone, including Sanjay, speechless. At the same time, Kajal refuses to leave Tanya alone, but in a touching moment, Tanya frees Kajal from the promise she had made, telling her she can stay with her family and visit anytime she wants. Kajal breaks down as Tanya walks away. Although the family continues celebrating Abira's success, Sanjay is far from happy. He vents his frustration, saying it is humiliating to work under Abira after spending years building the firm. Krish, however, defends Abira and Arman, asking Sanjay why he never started his own firm if it meant so much to him. Later, despite becoming managing director, Abira is seen doing household chores. Madhav praises her humility but also admits he regrets taking early retirement because nobody wants to hire him anymore due to his age. His emotional confession leaves Abira deeply saddened. Towards the end, Abira worries that Myra and Mukti may leave the country for higher studies. While she and Arman discuss how they will make time for each other, the girl excitedly announces a scholarship competition. Abira and Arman advise them not to participate to avoid heartbreak, but Myra and Mukti confidently decide to compete anyway. In the pre-cap, Abira questions Sanjay about an important file. Sanjay sarcastically asks if she plans to fire him and reveals that another law firm has already offered him a job. Krish urges Arman to help, but Arman insists that Abira must learn to fight her own battles. Thank you for watching. Bye.